Guys, on this cloudy morning from Istanbul. So I'm now traveling to Tanzania to climb Kilimanjaro, but now I have 5 days here. So my first day here is in Istanbul, and I started from the Taksim Square. Behind me is the monument of the Republic. Let's check out the square. Taksim Square is the center of the modern Istanbul, and from it the fashion street starting, and there's a lot of shops here where you can buy any tourist stuff, any clothes, and just any restaurant here too. There's a lot of clubs to party too. It's all here. So the nearest attraction to the Taksim is Galata Tower. It's located just on the way to the big mosques. So let's go there. So because the city is located on the hills, you can see a lot of stairs around here. And this one is like specific because here's a lot of cats. I'm just trying to find one. I didn't find any cat, but if I will, I'll show you some. So I'm now at the spot, and here it's time to check the sky. Point, as you see here is not much people, but it was birds that a bit distracted. So you know it's a bit scary because if a bird is like if a bird goes into Mavic, the Mavic can fall. So sometimes it's a little scary when there's a lot of birds. But it was okay. The place is good. Here's not people. Here's not any people at all except for just one cat. It was very interesting with the Mavic. At some point I don't want to shoot it, to like jump and hit it with the hand, but it didn't happen. It's just so okay, I'll go further. Here's the cat houses. And this is the way to Galata Tower. It's possible to get off the top of the tower, but it is necessary to stay in the line. As you can see, the line was pretty long, so I just admire it from the ground. Time to use Istanbul Metro. Metro is a great way to travel around the city. Galata Tower is located near Shishani station. My next destination was Sultan Ahmed district, which is located on another side of the Golden Horn Bay. So I got a 2-station ride to Venizhelesh station. So finally I made it to the square where the boss, Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque are seen. And behind me now is the Blue Mosque. This date was closed because it was just the new year. So instead of going inside, I walk around it. Even some obelisks are here. Here behind me is another interesting building. Is this area? It's Hagia Sophia, which first was a church and now it's a museum. As Turkish people conquered the city, they built the church to the mosque, and then when Atatürk came and now the Turkish Republic, they built it to the museum. So check this part of the city. Now I'm getting back to taxi. So what I think? It's like interesting as a tourist. It's like you can visit for parks and for eat. And because there's not too much cars here, it's very convenient to walk around. So it's nice to get one day around here. But the police, a lot of police here, a lot of people. If you don't like that, don't go. It's a typical tourist place. There is a lot of ferries in Istanbul, and from here you can go on a ferry with even a car. You can go to the Asian Strait, to the Asian part of Istanbul, and also you can go to the other part across the Horn, the Istanbul Horn. This is the entrance to one of the ferries. It's like very popular for tourists and also for locals to get on other sides. Today is the 31st of December, and there is a lot of people here, so I guess it's not a typical day in Istanbul. I had fun walking around. I saw the city for the first time, and tomorrow I'll go to Ankara. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and write in the comments what do you want to see more.